Welcome to the site of my residential solar installation. Project like this, round numbers, is about $20,000 to start. The great thing though is that with the incentives in place, tax credits and so forth, my net cost on this system is going to be about half that. And no one's happier about that than a homeowner like myself. Economically, it works out extremely well. There's a 30% federal tax rebate, interest deductions, plus depreciation. And because of the regulations, you can now basically sell the electricity back to the utility company. So that's a game changer for me. The last of my 19 panels is being set right now. Everything is wired up on the roof, all the way down to the side of my house. And once it's passed final inspection, this house is going to be making electricity. So I'm going to turn this on, and the roof is a power plant. I'm now my own power company. Soliva panels are estimated to last 30 to 45 years, and once it's paid back in 10, then for the remainder of the life of these panels, I'm just getting pure revenue with the panels. Again, this is Chad Vincent reminding you that when you're looking to buy a solar system, it's not about making a purchase, it's all about saving money over the life of your system.